In this video, I will show you how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Binance app. So as you can see, I'm using the Pro version of the Binance app. So if you want to switch to this, you're gonna have to simply tap on the icon in the top left corner, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on Binance Pro. So as you can see, I have the option to switch to Binance Lite, so this will be much easier. So I'm gonna show you both ways. So on Binance Lite, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on this button, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on deposit. Now the next step is to simply search for Bitcoin. So you're gonna have to select crypto and then simply look for Bitcoin. So as you can see, I'm gonna have to verify my account in order to be able to deposit cryptos. So let me scroll down and let's search for Bitcoin. As you can see, we have here Bitcoin. Now once you tap on that, you're gonna have to choose the network, and then you're gonna have to simply copy the address. So as you can see, for me it's unavailable because my account isn't verified, but if you have your account verified, you're gonna see here the address. So basically that's all you have to do. Now keep in mind that you're gonna have to make sure to choose the right network, because if someone's try to send Bitcoin from a different network than yours, you're gonna lose the Bitcoin. So you're gonna have to make sure that you both choose the same address, as you can see here, because each one of these address has a different Bitcoin address basically. So as you can see, you have BTC Segwit, Bitcoin normal Lightning Network, BNB Smart Chain, and then you have Ethereum. So you're gonna have to make sure to choose the right one. Now basically it's the same process if you go to Binance Pro. So we're gonna have to switch back here and then go to Binance Pro, and after that you're gonna have to simply go to wallets here, and then here you're gonna have to simply tap on deposit crypto, and again you're gonna have to look for Bitcoin, as you can see right here, and the process is the same. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.